Let me introduce Jacob. He noticed his garage door was making strange noises one evening. It was also taking longer to open and close. Concerned about safety and efficiency, he decided to investigate. After some online research, Jacob realized his garage door needed professional maintenance. He found information about Adams Garage Doors LLC from his neighbor Alex. Alex also said that they're known for their experience and customer satisfaction. Intrigued by their 40 years of experience, Jacob decided to give them a call at 703-623-6766. Also, browsed AdamsGarageDoorsLLC.com and scheduled a garage door inspection. If you also need the similar service, contact Adams Garage Doors LLC right now.